What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I got an old pickup released in February, but I had it for a while. But I'm just gonna do the review now because I haven't really seen that much review on YouTube. So we have the Wings 10, the Jordan 10 Wings. The box is pretty dope. It's different. It's not like the other Wings series with the white box. You do have like a cement print. It's like gray with like black speckles and white speckles all over. On the side it says Wings, and on the top you have the rose and you have a Jumpman. So we have here the Air Jordan 10 Retro Wings, white, clover, chrome black, and on the bottom that's it, just black. So on the inside, on the paper, you do have the paper and it says Unite all over the paper. So I guess this is part of the Unite series. Alright, so we got the Jordan 10 Wings. It's an all white leather upper. On the left shoe, on the medial side, you have the chrome. Wait, so let's start on the bottom. You got the clear outsole, green Jumpman, wings beneath that in black. Wish this was a smoked out bottom though. You know, I like that smoked out bottom. Prevent it from getting yellow. But white midsole, chrome on the side right here, on the medial side. Then you have the green hit, and then you have an orange, white tumble leather. On the back you have the pull tab. Oh, you can't really pull it because you can't really put your fingers in it, but you got the back tab right here, and it have purple, red, blue, and brown on it. On the lateral side, you have the wings right there in green. Then you have that chrome hit again on the side. White patent leather. This is red accent beneath the chrome hit. And then you have like a blue right here. And this is like a plastic see-through type material. I don't know if y'all could see it on camera, but yeah. And on the tongue you have the green straps on the tongue, white laces. On the top of the tongue you have Air Jordan 23 embossed in white. Behind the tongue you have a black patch with white Jumpman and wings in white. Green sock liner, green insole, white Jumpman. The green is a little bit different on camera. It's a different color of green. White laces. And on the other shoe you have purple, pink. Not really feeling the pink that much. Make it a little bit, you know, brown, yellow, and the chrome hit again. And on the back of this one you have yellow, green, orange, and pink. They should have put this pink on the medial side right here on the bottom. Feel more, you know, that they should have put that over here. And they should have made the bottom smoky gray bottom. In my opinion, it would have looked better and it would have lasted longer without turning yellow. The tumble leather is nice though. Pretty nice tumble leather. No glue marks, no imperfection, nothing. So let me know what y'all think. If y'all feeling these, if y'all cop, if y'all pick up. I know a lot of people don't rock with the 10s like that, but these are pretty dope, and I want to keep the Wings collection. I have the 5s, I have these. I don't have the 1s and the 12 though, but I might pick those up just to have the whole Wings collection. But let me know what y'all think about these, man. If y'all feeling these or not, or y'all gonna pass. I just want to do a quick review because I really don't see these online like that. So I just want to show y'all what they look like up close in that 4K HD look, as always. could check my other videos. That's one right there. Also in 4K HD. All my videos is in 4K. Yeah, that detail look. All right, so let me know what y'all think. Like this video, subscribe if you're new.